Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately by confirming the Fia Debuff variant and severity. Because treatment differs, check the status icon and log. Once identified, assemble the core reagents, 3 Purify shards, a half vial of neutralizer, and the anti-hex band, so you can act without pausing. Make sure you're in a safe zone and your health is above 30%. Position an ally nearby. Begin the initial purge sequence now. Cast the low-tier cleanse. Then apply the neutralizer drip to suppress rebound effects while monitoring stamina and mana. Once the initial steps are stable, move into layered neutralization with precise timing. Trigger the low-tier cleanse, then immediately follow with the mid-tier, and finish the sequence with the high tier within 12 seconds to collapse the Fia matrix. Make sure you watch the debuff meter closely and deploy the anti-hex when the gauge hits about 50%, because that prevents rebound spikes. Also use synergy skills like Relay Pulse or Overlap Ward to stabilize the target field. These prevent relapse and reduce required reagent use on the next pass. To finish, apply the final purge seal and hold position for 8 to 10 seconds so the matrix can collapse cleanly. Do not move or cast unrelated spells during this window. After sealing, reassess the target for residual effects and administer 1 emergency antidote only if small traces remain, because overuse wastes reagents. If a rebound occurs, immediately repeat the mid-tier neutralization and increase neutralizer volume by 25%. This corrective action addresses persistent nodes and prevents full recorruption in most cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.